Celebrating 60 years on the air, this is WSLS 10 at 6.
For our Making a Difference story tonight, we want to focus on an educational institution specializing in low-cost and accelerated training, helping people throughout our area find jobs in healthcare. I met with one student who fell into hard economic times during the recession. Fast Track Healthcare Education, located on Brandon Avenue in the Star City, helped him get back on his feet in a big way, offering him hands-on training and leading to a job he's been excelling in for 9 months. Fast Track Healthcare offers 6 different certifications, from becoming a nurse assistant to a phlebotomist, someone who draws blood. For Shannon Fairbanks, it gave him the chance to get back to work because the work he had been doing wasn't stable enough for him.
Mostly in the construction field, landscaping, things of that nature, and employment was always kind of up and down. I was looking for something a little bit more solid.
Through a workforce development grant, he was able to study here at Fast Track. Teresa Jones is the program director.
Healthcare is recession-proof. People will get sick regardless of the economy.
The programs here at Fast Track last anywhere from 2 weeks to 4 months. These are just some of the students who've been through their programs. And since they started back in 2004, they've graduated over 2,000 students, many of them in our local healthcare offices. After 4 weeks of classes, Shannon came to Solstice Lab Partners for his clinical work.
About halfway through my clinical experience, a position opened up, and I thought it would be a good idea to submit a resume.
And his hard work is what made a difference.
Not everyone wants to go to college. Not everyone is financially able to go to college.
This has been a solid 40 hours a week. The people are really friendly. The patients are great. It's been a good experience from beginning to end.
And because the classes are 8 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week, the training he needed came quickly to help him find that stability he'd been looking for. Certainly thanks to Shannon for sharing his story with us.
Yeah.
The Fast Track Healthcare actually started out in Salem, and they quickly outgrew that office, and so now they have 3 locations, 1 in Salem, 2 in Roanoke, depending on what you want to specialize in.
Proof of kind of one of those STEM things where healthcare added to it. The importance of those jobs out there, and if you get training in it, be very successful.
Teresa also talked a lot about the baby boomer generation and how we're going to need more and more of these kinds of people out in the healthcare workforce. So.
Yeah.
Seemed to work. If anyone's interested, I put a link to them on our website, WSLS.com.
This is WSLS 10 at 7.
Well, some people here in our area are getting help finding a job in local healthcare offices through an accelerated study program in our area. It's called Fast Track Healthcare Education, and it offers courses that range from 2 weeks to 4 months. Shannon Fairbanks had been working in construction, but through a workforce development grant, he got training through Fast Track and has been working ever since.
I was really fortunate to do my clinicals for Solstice Lab Partners, and about halfway through my clinical experience, a position opened up, and I thought it would be a good idea to submit a resume.
And he has been working for Solstice for 9 months now. The classes offered at Fast Track are 8 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week.